Welcome to Robuschi Parma, the heart of innovation and manufacturing for low-pressure solutions within Ingersoll Rand. Here, tradition meets with cutting-edge technologies. We design and manufacture rotary low blowers and screw compressors with the highest precision, from the meticulous machining of rotors to the complete assembly of our Robux packages. Thanks to our talented people and advanced process, we reach an annual production of 13,500 low blowers, screw compressor, liquid ring and centrifugal pumps delivered worldwide.
When you talk about Robuschi, you talk about 85 years of expertise, innovation and dedication. You talk about people, engineers, technicians, and the teams who have built solutions that power industries, communities and ecosystems. From Parma, Italy to the world, Robuschi stands for quality, reliability, efficiency and trust. What makes Robuschi unique is how we blend tradition with innovation. We built on decades of experience to create solutions that meet today's challenges, improving efficiency, reducing emissions and enhancing performance. But technology alone isn't enough. What truly defines Robuschi is our human connection. We stand beside our customers, listening, advising, and creating solutions together that help our customers to make life better.
At Robuschi, we believe that investing in innovation means investing in our customers. Innovation is what defines our future, and what we do today not only helps our customer perform better, but also drives our shared success for tomorrow. Today, with energy costs rising and sustainability goals becoming even more critical, we are fully focused on developing efficient solutions that help our customer reduce energy use and CO2 emissions, all without compromising performance.
We embrace smart manufacturing by leveraging IoT and data-driven insights. We have streamlined procurement, making our process faster and more efficient. Our production is optimized. We balance automation and the unmatched expertise of our operators. We have enhanced quality control, so accuracy is guaranteed at every step of the process. We have also invested in a dedicated aftermarket hub, allowing us to ship service kits and spare parts faster than ever, so our customer can maximize their uptime. Robuschi Parma is now officially recognized as European Center of Excellence for low-pressure solutions within Ingersoll Rand, a clear proof of our mid-term and long-term commitment to customer success and innovation.
As we look to the future, my vision is clear. We will increase our presence, expanding into new markets, while strengthening our aftermarket and service support to ensure our customer always has the expertise and assistance that they need, no matter where they are located.
We are proud of the strong technical foundation built by the Robuschi family over decades of dedication and passion. It's our responsibilities not only to preserve that legacy, but to take it even further, to the next level of innovation.
At Robuschi, we deliver confidence, expertise, and the promise to keep innovating for a better and more sustainable future.
Because at Robuschi, innovation never stops.
And finally, to our customers around the world, thank you. Your trust and partnership drive our passion for quality, innovation, and sustainable growth every single day.